Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I am Mohammed Nadeem and I am an IRS officer from 2018 batch, and I would be presenting before you this detail of examination. And I believe that most of the things have been already covered by the esteemed panel members, but there are certain things that I would like to tell from my side. And let me just tell that this is the very right time for all of us, for all the students, to begin and think about their careers. And in as an extension to that, I would like to convey few things that it is very important. If you want to be very successful in your life, first it is very important to improve your writing skills, your public speaking skills, your comprehension skills. Right from start working on it right now itself. Secondly, develop some a kind of curiosity towards general knowledge, where be it politics, economics, geography, history. And in addition to that, do not neglect social sciences. For example, more often than not, we tend to focus more on science and maths, but we neglect social sciences, we neglect history, we neglect geography during our school time. But I want all of you to even focus on social sciences. In addition to that, start from right now itself a diverse reading habit, be it in terms of newspapers, be it in terms of different magazines, or be it in terms of different resources from internet. And there's one more thing, that you have to have a curious mindset towards current affairs. You can take more, for example, most of us, we rely on the Hindu newspaper. In a similar manner, you can use either internet or any physical hard copy of newspaper. And as I have mentioned there, that you have to make the best usage of internet. For example, whenever you are not able to clear any kind of concept, you have to go to the YouTube and clear it. So this always saves your time and there will be more conceptual clarity. And lastly, you need to have a curious mindset for yourself. Now, I think most of the things have been already covered, but I'd like to say one more thing, that after your 12th standard, once you have completed your 12th standard, the immediate thing what you can do is, while you are in 11th and 12th standard, you can prepare for defense examination. For example, UPSC conducts NDA, National Defense Academy's examination right after 12th standard. For all the members have spoken about the civil services jobs, judicial services jobs, but I'd like to tell you about the defense services examinations also. So once you have completed 12th standard, you can appear for this NDA examination, and you can be an officer in the, either Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, or Indian Army. In addition to that, even after completing your graduation, you can appear for combined defense services examination that is conducted by UPSC. The details will be are available in the either UPSC website, or you can just go to the YouTube and just type on the search bar, and you will get all the necessary details in the form of videos. In addition to this, I'd like to tell you that if you want to appear for any regional based examination, that is state services examination, it is very important that you develop your skills in the regional language paper. It's very important. Also, coming back to Karnataka, since I'm from Karnataka, I'd like to tell you that Karnataka State Public Services Commission conducts many examinations, and one of the most sought after examination is the gazetted probationers, through which once you clear, you can become either an assistant commissioner or deputy superintendent of police or assistant labor commissioner. In addition to this, there are, and this the format of this examination is very similar to that of UPSC. It's a 3 stages based examination. You have preliminary examination, then mains and interview. But what you have to do is, as of now, is that you just have to increase your diverse reading habit, and you have to work on your personality. Try to chisel your personality. Try to increase your speaking skills. Try to develop more better maths aptitude, etc. And also, very importantly, is very important thing is that you have to make the best use of internet. Almost everything for every examination after 12th standard, after your graduation, and everything, almost everything is available on internet. And there is a, please realize that there is a life beyond engineering and MBBS medicine. You can be a part of judiciary, you can be a part of defense services, you can be a part of civil services, and so on and so forth. So with this, I'd like to conclude my presentation.